Chromebooks are fantastic Linux-powered machines. Now that being said, not all Chromebooks have a lighted keyboard. There are many choices for Chromebooks, such as this two-in-one Idea Pad Flex 3 for less than $200. This is just an example of a good deal on a Chromebook. Now, if your Chromebook is lighted keyboard capable, between the 7, the 8, and the 9 numbers, you have your brightness controls. Above the 7, for example, is brightness down. You hold the ALT, the Alt button, you hold that while pushing down low brightness or holding it for brightness down. Conversely, above the 9 is brightness up. If you push and hold the brightness down while holding the Alt button, you will shut off the lights on your keypad, assuming your Chromebook has a lighted keypad. I love mine, and right now, besides my Motorola, it is the only portable device that I use. I don't use my Windows, I don't use my iPad mini or my Fire Tab, just my Chromebook. Try one, you might like it.